Friends, this is the finished club soda can that I was doing on my live stream on Thursday, and I just wanted to give you guys a show you guys what I've done. I made 3 windows with glass and plastic, and there's a background in there and some crayons, coloring pictures there, and a plant I made with a marbled planter. It looks like faux marble piece of backsplash type of thing I turned into a pot, as well as, I don't know, here's another view of the first one I made, and I put a different type of floor in there and a type of desk and the little buttons for a mirror and stuff, and books and wallpaper. So it's a little different. That was my first project, and of course my second project, and I really like how they both turned out. So let me know what you guys think. I decided to go pretty plain on this one again. I think that the windows were really nice, and I love the scenery in the background and how it turned out. So I didn't really want to cover it with any, I mean, if I had these windows in the house, I wouldn't cover them up with any kind of window treatment. So I love how it is. So that's how it turned out. I hope you guys like it. Don't forget to give me a comment. Tell me what you think, because I really would like to know. And maybe if you guys have any ideas for what I should make next, because I really like doing this and I thought it was pretty cool. Little craft. Okay, guys, don't forget to craft like a duck, and I will see you guys later. Thanks for watching. Bye.